Quiet children now.
So good morning everyone. Just prepare yourself to hear something awesome. I may not have a property like any of you guys, and I have no idea what I do. So hi, I'm Drew and I'm awesome. And the things that I have to do is that I have to sing. And I have this beautiful guitar. The guitars in the middle are mine, and the guitars in the middle is the wish that I have. It's just a whole I love doing crazy things. Doing crazy things is what who I am.
Alam mo na masakay ka?
When I was in first grade, I took a bath in the school's comfort room. I do it like every day. But when the principal got me, he called my parents and I got scolded, obviously. And after I got scolded, I still do it again. So let's just finish the video.
Walang katapusan yung
So I have an amazing friends and family. My friends are always there for me when I'm down, and my family is also there for me when I'm down. And I make sure that I'm there for them if they have troubles. And I she told me not to brag about her, but just and I'm for bragging. Because even I love my life and I like making people smile. So if any of you guys have problems in academics, well, not academics, relationships, life, just approach me and I'll try my best to make it all better. Thank you all for listening. Well, let's be some advice. Smile while you still have teeth.
Wala ka na kasi.
Alright, thank you.